Okay, in this area we're going to be insulating this attic. We're going to continue with this white product or Certainteed Insulsafe, and we're going to bring it up to an R60. Currently, right now, there are attic vents in the soffit areas, and they may have to be continued or extended up. In the attic, there is approximately, in this main attic here, it's approximately 26 inches wide by 47 feet long. And there's going to be a need for two attic dams in this area over here. One for this attic fan and one for the equipment. I think we should follow the footprint of this path to make a catwalk all the way back to here so that we can have the proper backing of the insulation so it doesn't fall in. I think we should continue with a small catwalk over to the equipment over here, and what we should do is put in a dam around this so that a worker can go over and work on it in case they need to replace it or pull it. We've already air sealed the attic here, and there's two tray ceilings, and I'll get back to those in a second. Continuing with the insulation all the way to this back area here. This area here is approximately 16 feet by 18 feet. I have the total dimensions down on paper so we can read up on them. There's already attic vents here. I want a total of R60. What appears to already be here is, it appears to be a layer of 6-inch product and then a layer of another 6-inch product. So there's an R38 here. Now an additional R30 or thereabouts would be appropriate to make it an R60. So I think another actually 6 inches will do fine. Currently there are recessed cans, but the product is that's around it is the white insul product material. Currently it's like an R26 that's in here. There's approximately 6 inches of blown material over top of 3 inches of material that's already up. So the 3 inches of material is batt material down in the two different joists, or the different joists, and then from there the blown in product is over that. Going through this attic area, there's a small opening, and the small opening is right in front of this air handler, which does have a hydrocoil attached to it, which has some copper piping. If we look back, it continues on all the way back there. There are attic vents along the back and along the right side, but we want to continue this to R60. I say we maintain the attic dam, which will be in front of this, like right to here, and then we continue around to there, and then we follow along here and over to here, and then along the back side of this, because I think this should be the staging area, working area for these two devices. Then we can step up on a catwalk up the proper distance over to here. That's approximately 20 feet from that opening to this air handler, and then it's approximately another 12 feet from the from the opening over to the actual over to the opening. I'm sorry, from the opening over to the actual attic fans there for the different bathrooms.